Welcome to Math Online Works video tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to do scientific notation for the pre-algebra level. Let's say you are given an equation that asks you to find what's the scientific notation of that. Well, this isn't really called an equation, but let's find a scientific notation of it. Okay, so first we put the 8, since there's an 8 here, times 10, and since this number is less than 1, this would be a negative here, because 0.008 is obviously less than 1. Okay, let's see how many places that decimal has to move in order to get to the front of 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. So this is a 3. Let's do a bit harder one. Let's say they ask you to find a scientific notation for that. Okay, first you want this number to be, you can either put 34 here or 3.4. Depends on how the question wants it. Let's do 34 first. Okay, put your usual 10. And since this is less than 1, it's going to be a negative again, since 0.0034 is less than 1. Okay, for the 34, let's see how many decimal places the dot has to move in order to get to the front of that 34. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. Let's see how many decimal places it has to move to get to the front of 3.4 for this one. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. And that's your answer. Now let's do one more. Let's say you have to find a scientific notation of 31,000. Let's see. Let's try to find it for 3.1. Alright, so you put 3.1 times 10 to the, and since this is bigger than 1, because 31,000 is bigger than 1, this number here would be a positive. Now, let's see how many decimal places that dot has to move, starting from 3.1 to get all the way to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to move 4 spaces. So this is a 4. I probably should have drawn this one here better. That goes. Okay.